guys! In this video, we will learn how to use the present simple tense. We will use the verb like as an example. Remember that the present simple tense is used when you want to communicate permanent states or actions, when manifesting states or situations that are routine or actions that have periodicity, to talk about habits, routines, or events that are repeated in certain periods of time, when you give indications, instructions, and signals. Look at the example and notice how it is used in affirmative, negative, and question. Affirmative. I like. You like. He likes. She likes. It likes. We like. They like. Negative. I don't like. You don't like. He doesn't like. She doesn't like. It doesn't like. We don't like. They don't like. Question. Do I like? Do you like? Does he like? Does she like? Does it like? Do we like? Do they like? Thank you for watching this video.